And welcome to the Super Fun Awesome Happy Time Pedal Show. My name is Gabor.
Hey, welcome along. I'm Alex. I'm going to check out the Teisco Fuzz today.
The Fuzz.
This is fun Octave Fuzz from Teisco.
The Fuzz.
It says so on the front.
Yes.
Obviously.
Yeah. Can't you read?
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to check out some sounds of crazy fuzz land. If you hit like and subscribe though on the channel, give us a thumbs up, ding the notification bell when you subscribe.
And please do. But 90% of our viewers are not subscribed to the channel, so please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps the algorithms and us and everything. So please do.
That'd be fantastic. So the setup today, check out the Fuzz. Guitars for the Fuzz into Mozztronics Amp Switcher.
Andrew.
In the rack. A Cherry Tone OTS Mini 20. Sit on clean.
Dumble Fendery kind of thing.
Isocab with a greenback. Mic with a LEWITT MTP440.
Hi, LEWITT people.
Also, there's a Torpedo, 2 notes Torpedo Captor X, doing some stereo IRs for quad box.
And there's a video for that here. And hello to Guillaume and Jason.
G'day. So yeah,
Oui.
the Fuzz is pretty easy controls.
Yes.
Tone, gain, level, and an octave on and off switch.
And it's white on white, so we'll see how good that comes out. So it's white knobs with white background, but hopefully it'll come out all right. Yeah, so it's somewhat based on a furry 70s fuzz.
Some sort of tone machine.
Like a Foxy tone machine. Well, the Fox tone machine. So,
you have to pronounce it once.
Yeah, so it's kind of like an octave fuzz. It has its sort of roots in that, but it's quite different. It's massively gated as well, this thing. So,
yeah.
And we need to find out if Ryan is right or wrong, because Ryan from 60 Circle Hum really likes this fuzz. And this is going to be... We're going to, in the comments below, let us know, hashtag Ryan is right or hashtag Ryan is wrong. So if you think it's good, hashtag Ryan is right. If you don't think it's good, hashtag Ryan is wrong.
Yeah.
Just for the fun of it. And hi, Ryan. Okay.
So yeah, all the knobs are self-explanatory. Plus the octave has an on-off switch.
Yes. So I think in an unboxing video, which you can watch here, that I did, I kind of thought at first it was like an octave down and an octave up, but it's just minus means it's off, plus means it's on.
Yeah.
So should we start with it off?
Yeah.
And do you want to start or should I start?
Do you want to start?
Do I want to start? Do I?
Sure.
So this is my Fano Omnis MG6, which is a lovely, lovely, lovely guitar. You can, if you want to watch more unboxing videos, there's an unboxing video of the Fano here. And clean, it sounds, we're playing a G chord, it sounds suchly. Now fuzzy, it sounds suchly. That's cool, just that. Actually, maybe turn the level up a bit, because that's what you were just about to do, wasn't it?
I did. Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's it. Hashtag Ryan is right. That's cool. And the gate's cool. There. It's hard to hear, but it's there.
Now the tone does cool stuff on this pedal.
Okay, tone me up.
You want to play some?
My usual fuzz. Oh yeah. It gets more...
So it's almost like a bandpass filter.
Yeah, it gets kind of woofy and it gets bigger. It almost gets, as you roll the tone down, it almost gets big muffy. It has that kind of... Yeah, it's almost like it does that almost a bit.
Yeah, right.
Like, you know, as you turn it down, it's a... Yeah, anyway. The mids go. like a... This is where the gate comes in now as well. It's like synth.
Bit crushery.
Bit crushery synthy
Yeah.
sound. Now, if we add an octave to that,
See what happens.
that's cool. I like that. Well, this is what, yeah, it's not a chordy thing when you have that. It's more of the... It's pretty cool. I like it.
Fun.
Do you wanna?
Have a schwang?
Do you wanna?
Yeah.
Wanna? And so, Alex,
Yo,
what kind of guitar is
so
that you're playing there?
This is a Sire S7, and it sounds like this.
And while we're doing unboxing videos, there's an unboxing video for all the side stuff there.
Got a lot of boxes kicking around.
Yeah.
Is there an effect on then?
Yes.
Oh. So that's an Ibanez AD150?
8150.
This number, yeah.
It's set to very slow, so this is what it sounds like without the pedal. Like very quick, very quick delay.
Slappy.
But
But that's cool for like, it's almost like a
metallic-y sort of sound.
crazy spring echo thing.
Sure. I have control over it, so...
Whatever you
Tough.
say. Okay, more riffage. Another riffage. What else can I play? In G. It's cool when you put tone up, it gets all honky and
It gets very honky,
wild,
yeah. But I think it does a bit of a... It's a bit of a sort of... It as you turn the tone down, it scoops a bit of the mids and adds the bass.
Yeah.
And as you turn it up, it kind of gets rid of the bass and boosts the mids and the highs. So it's kind of like that sort of thing.
Totes.
Again, almost soft attack, like synthy
Yeah.
soft attack.
If you use your thumb.
it works with that sound.
It's a great sound.
It's like that kind of in the background.
Metallic key.
It's cool. Should we try it with humbuckers quickly?
Oh, please.
Or you probably did,
Yeah, briefly.
but different humbuckers.
Like
So
authentic
this,
humbucker.
well, no. So nothing about this is authentic. So this is a 1978 Greco, possibly EG500. But actually, I saw one on Reverb.
Yep.
It looked exactly the same as this,
Yeah.
and he had it as an EG750, which I don't think it is. But anyway,
Comments if you know what the hell
if
this
you know
is.
what the model number is, it had different pickups in it. So these
This one's
pickups.
got a plain top, not a quilted.
No, yeah, it's a plain top, and it's
Yeah.
somewhat chambered as well. So that's why I think it's a 500.
Mystery.
But anyway,
continues.
it's got two Fishman Fluence classic humbuckers in it. Big thank you to Ken Susie and everyone at Fishman for sending this out to us. I've got a video about this here, about the guitar, so I did a quick video on it. And I love this guitar. I really, really dig it at the moment. And it sounds like this. Once we change to me, it sounds like this. So these are sort of PAF style humbuckers for Fishman.
Perfect for fuzz.
Oh, perfect. It's that gate's cool. It's like super sustain, but then also no sustain.
Everything or nothing.
It's got like real full on attack now. It's almost backwards. Sorry, that got loud there for a second.
Wow.
I dig that, yeah. And then, I mean, you get rid of that octave. That's angry. That's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. That's a cool fuzz. Very, very cool fuzz.
Whew, I have to walk around the block now.
Okay, so hashtag Ryan is right or hashtag Ryan is wrong. I'm going to say Hashtag Ryan is right.
What did he say? He liked it.
He likes it, yeah. I think we should start a whole thing. Look.
Hashtag war.
Hashtag war with other YouTubers.
Yes. That's a thing now.
Okay, so with this, Ryan likes this. Hashtag Ryan is right.
Okay. It's going to be great. Okay.
If you want to see hashtag war with other YouTubers, comments below. This is the first of the hashtag wars. So this is, yeah. But I do think, I think it's a good fuzz.
Yep.
And I have to say, all up with the Teisco stuff, it looks really cool. It's its own packaging.
Yes.
It's a whole unique
Have this
packaging.
very fun Japanese aesthetic to them all. This one's very plain, it's black and white, but the others have cool like textures and patterns and colours.
Yeah. And I mean, full disclosure, the awesome people at Teisco sent it to us. I think, did I point to the unboxing video before? Sure. If you watched that, I mentioned all that. So this was sent to us. But yeah, I really like the aesthetics. I like the sound. It's a real... To me, the whole Teisco stuff... When I think of Teisco, right, I think of crazy-looking guitars. That's the first thing. You know, when you think of Teisco, that's what you think of. Or I think of anyway. And to me... when they started bringing out these pedals, because I don't think there were Teisco pedals originally. I think they only made guitars. Maybe they made pedals. I don't know. Let us know in the comments below. But to me, they matched the aesthetics of what I think of in Teisco.
Cool, yeah, right.
Because, I mean, the delay, we did the video on the delay, which you can watch here as well, which Melinda lent to us. Hello, Melinda, if you're watching. The delay was wild.
Yes.
It was just out there. This thing is crazy. All their pedals they're quite quirky and out there. And I think... You know, they match that whole Japanese... I mean, this is a super clean, super nice Japanese look. But the sound matches what I think of when I think of Teisco guitars. And I think they did a great job with it.
It's fun.
So,
yep.
hashtag Gabor's right.
Yeah, comments and questions below. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's very, very fun. And also links below to our Instagram, Facebook group chat, and a podcast. And chat about all this kind of stuff and gear and other things.
Yeah.
So thanks for hanging.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon with some more hashtag wars. Catch you.